Now coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu, where there has been a major jolt to the MK Stalin government. The Supreme Court has allowed the RSS to conduct a route march across the state. Now, a special bench that was presided over by Justice V. Ramasubrahmanyam also dismissed all the leave petitions. RSS's advocate Mahesh Chetmalani also contended the argument of the march being targeted by a terrorist organization. Jethmalani also argued that it is the DMK government's responsibility to provide protection during RSS march in the state. Now, Mukul Rohatgi, who was representing the Tamil Nadu government, said that the march cannot pass through every street in Tamil Nadu. Now, remember earlier, the state government was wary of allowing the march at places affected by the banned PFI organization. And on February 10th, the Madras High Court had allowed RSS's march and also commented that protests are essential for a healthy democracy.
Well, that is a matter, but the Supreme Court had ordered, so the government will look into it and take necessary steps in that regard, because it is for the government to decide on this. So let us wait and what the government takes. We will wait and see.
We welcome this judgment by the Supreme Court, and it is a slap on the DMK government, the face of the DMK government, and it is shame that this government should feel shameful, and also it should regret and apologize before the people of Tamil Nadu for trying to, insult or stop a disciplined organization's route march, their programs. There are fundamentalists waiting to attack RSS. So it is the duty of the government to catch hold of terrorists or the persons who are trying to trouble.
You saw the order today. What were the arguments that were given out by the Tamil Nadu government to actually stop the RSS from taking out?
At the moment, all we can say is what the Madras High Court says has been upheld, and they allowed an unconditional procession by the RSS in the 43 districts 43 areas that they had sought permission for that procession. There were a number of counters to that. First of all, the Tamil Nadu government can't deprive people of their fundamental rights on the ground that a banned terrorist organization, is creating trouble. Secondly, all the incidents which they gave, the state of Tamil Nadu referred to, all the acts of arson, bomb throwing, etc., by PFI accused persons. They were all before the ban. In fact, after the PFI ban, there have been no incidents of violence. So the Tamil Nadu government was actually, completely unjustified in it seems to be a political decision not to allow the bans. In this case, the reasons given were absurd.
Let me bring in my colleague Ananya on this. Ananya, first the Madras High Court, now an allowing of the march by the Supreme Court, a big jolt there for the MK Stalin government in Tamil Nadu. But I would like to understand on what grounds that were they not allowing this march by RSS in the state?
Well, it's a big blow definitely to the to the government there, to the MK Stalin government in Tamil Nadu, because remember that the Supreme Court has dismissed all of these petitions that have been filed by the Tamil Nadu government in this particular case. And Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, who was representing Tamil Nadu government, has actually argued before the top court, before a division bench at the Supreme Court, that it could create a law and order situation and even the fundamental right to protest can be curtailed on three grounds which are mentioned in the Part 3 of the Constitution of India. However, countering all of these submissions, Senior Advocate Mahesh Chetmalani and Menaka Guruswamy, who were appearing for the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or the RSS, clearly said that the reasons that are being given out by the Tamil Nadu government are clearly absurd, and in fact there is no substantial evidence to actually prove that such a law and order situation could arise. And in fact, on the three earlier occasions when such a march was actually taken out in the state, no kind of a law and order situation arose and no kind of a violence also took place, and that's the reason why this march should be given a go-ahead. And definitely today, after hearing all of these submissions and after reserving its verdict for certain days, now the Supreme Court has said that RSS has a clear green signal to go ahead with the route march in the state of Tamil Nadu. Griya.
All right. Thank you so much for that, Ananya. And from Tamil